everyone, this is Charles Phillips with McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people. Today I'm going to show you how to use the sync feature for the AC controls in the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LT. So super easy to use, something that you will benefit from if you do carry a lot of passengers around and you don't want to mess with all the AC controls. Just press one button and it takes it back to what you have it set to as the driver. Alright, so what we're going to do here on this on the gauge cluster here, you see the sync button. Press that. Okay, so once you adjust the temperature on your side, it automatically adjusts it for the passenger side. And you can see that here and here. So once a passenger gets in and they want it a little cooler, say they adjust it back down to low, you know, it takes that sync feature off. Alright, so say they get out of the vehicle and you want to get that temperature back to where you had it, press that sync button again and it takes the temperature to where it was before. So there it is, guys, the sync feature for the AC controls in the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Give us a call here at McKaig Chevrolet Buick, 903-374-0227.